Hi guys, today I'm going to share with you how to make some delicious apple fritters. So if you're ready, let's get started. Alrighty guys, so here I have all of my ingredients. As always, they will be listed in the description box. So with that being said, let's begin to prep our apples. We're going to begin by removing the core from our apple. I'm going to be using this tool and just press it down. Use your muscles. There you go. Okay, so once we have our apple, we're going to begin to chop it. And I like to place my apples in ice cold salted water just to prevent them from oxidizing. And once we have our apples, we're going to set them to the side until it's time for us to use them. Meanwhile, we could get our oil ready before we make our batter. For our oil, we're going to grab our pan. We're going to fill it up halfway with oil. We're going to set it on medium heat and allow it to heat up. For our batter, we're going to begin by mixing all of our dry ingredients first. So here I have the flour, the sugar, baking powder, ground cinnamon, nutmeg, and salt. We're just going to mix it all together. Okay, and once mixed, set it to the side so we can mix our wet ingredients. Okay, so here we have our egg, vanilla, applesauce, melted butter, and milk. So now we're just going to whisk it all together and to well combine. Okay, so once we have that mix, we're going to slowly add our dry ingredients. And just mix it together. Okay, so once we have our batter, we're going to add our apples. And I rinse mine to remove all of the salt. And I just mix it with the batter. Okay, and once our batter is ready, we can begin to fry our apple fritters. Okay, so once our oil is nice and hot, we're going to grab our spoon and just put in our batter. Just fry them until they're nice and golden. Okay, and once we have all of our apple fritters, we're going to set them to the side and allow them to cool down so they can harden. Meanwhile, we can make our glaze. Okay, so for our glaze, we're going to mix our powdered sugar, our milk, and vanilla. Now we're just going to mix until everything is well combined. And once we have our glaze, we're going to grab our apple fritter and we're going to dip it into the glaze and just repeat the process to the rest of our apple fritters. Alrighty guys, and once our apple fritters have cooled down, now we can get ready for the best part, the taste test. Now let me tell you guys that I hope you give this recipe a try. It's seriously super easy. In under 20 minutes, you have some delicious apple fritters. It's the best fall dessert. So hope you give it a try. Cheers and enjoy. Seriously, super delicious. They're nice and crunchy on the outside, super soft on the inside. If you love Buñuelos, you're definitely going to love this one. So good. The apples, they're just perfect. Alrighty guys, and there you have it on how to make some easy and delicious apple fritters. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video, and if you did, please don't forget to give me a big thumbs up. Share with your friends and family, and if you work with this recipe, please don't forget to tag me in any of my social medias. And if you're new to my channel, please hit that subscribe button so you guys keep part of our family. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys at my next video. Bye.